Hello, and you're watching TV9 News, and I'm your host Dipakk. Now, election season is back in India, and polls in India are no less than festivals. Rallies, campaigns are the essence of elections in the country. Now, these large gatherings and rallies may seem like a show of strength of a candidate, but is it really important at a time when cases are rising? States like Maharashtra and Kerala are re-imposing lockdowns and restrictions across hotspots. And it wouldn't be wrong if I said that public rallies and campaigns have literally turned into ticking time bombs in poll-bound states. West Bengal in the latest is witnessing large gatherings and rallies as the state is set to go to polls very soon. And at a time when a resurgent wave of COVID-19 is witnessed across a country, a joint platform of doctors in West Bengal on Friday wrote a letter to the Election Commission over rising COVID-19 cases and, most importantly, the absence of safety protocols at political rallies in West Bengal. Now, along with this, the doctors have also flagged the non-availability of beds in COVID-19 hospitals as well as free ventilators in the poll-bound states. Now, safety protocols have completely disappeared in the process of holding rallies and meetings of all political parties on the occasion of the upcoming elections in the West Bengal state. Now, who are the rule breakers in West Bengal? Ordinary people, political leaders, and even some of the security personnel contribute equally to this problem in West Bengal. They are either seen without face masks or are seen wearing it the wrong way, which is below the chin, exposing the nose and the mouth. So what are the implications of such a scenario, and how can one attend rallies and campaigns very safely? Now, to answer this question, let's speak to Dr Sitesh Roy, an immunologist and an allergist from Mumbai. So, Doctor, now what are the possible precautionary measures that a person can take while attending an election rally?
So, Deepak, while attending an election rally, a person absolutely mandatorily should wear a proper, well-fitted mask, a face mask that covers their nose and mouth completely, and should not take it off at any point of time for any reason. Besides this, if they can carry a small hand sanitizer with them, and if they happen to touch surfaces, they can use it. But in a very crowded rally, this becomes difficult. Maintaining social distance becomes difficult. And so the ideal precaution that a person can take from such a rally is not attending it, but that may not always be practical. And hence, I think these precautions are very, very important. And those who are unwell or sick or having a cold and cough should definitely stay away from these rallies.
Also, Doctor, how important are masks in public places, especially during polls when rallies and campaigns are witnessed in abundance?
So during polls, when rallies and campaigns with thousands of people are so common, it becomes extremely important for people to wear a mask. I think it should be mandated, no mask, no attendance at the rally. That's the kind of commitment that a political party and their leaders can show, that they care about their populace's health and about their people's health. Because truly falling ill after attending a rally would be a very sad incident. And we must do everything we can to prevent that. So absolutely, wearing a mask well fitted properly is very, very important during such events.
Now, Doctor, my last question is, can technology save the day? Isn't it imperative that netas use technology for campaigning and also rallies?
In the ideal situation, if political campaigns and rallies could be done in a digital format, in an online format, where the risk of physical exposure, especially knowing that there are so many asymptomatic and mildly COVID infected people who can easily spread the infection from anywhere from 2 people to 40 people, because there are super spreaders, and who can give an infection to a lot of people in a short period of time when there's extreme crowding, clearly indicates the need for using digital platforms and social media for campaigning and online protocols rather than doing in-person public events. Because I think that in such events, especially if they are outdoors, the risk may be a little less, And if it's indoors, the risk is huge because closed spaces are the ideal breeding and spreading ground for COVID 19 and SARS CoV 2.
Now, one way of looking at this problem is making masks and safety protocols mandatory at such gatherings. And the other way is the tech way. Netas can use technology which is available in their disposal to interact with his or her people via video conferencing, which avoids large gatherings and promotes all the safety protocols that is needed. So what do you think? Should people go to such rallies with their masks on, or should netas become more responsible? Leave your opinions in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 News on various social media platforms. Many thanks for watching.